I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use nicknames or relationship-based names with Siri on your iPhone. So to do this, we're going to open up our own contact card in Contacts. First, we'll open up the phone app, and you'll normally be in Keyboard, but you'll click over to Contacts. Then we're going to click on My Card at the top. Next, we'll click on Edit on the top right. Then we're going to scroll down, and we're going to find Add Related Name. Once we find that, we'll tap the plus icon, and here we're going to add somebody who is, let's say, my mother. Now you can see I've added that contact as my mother. We can do this again. I'm going to add a fake one here, brother, as air rack. Let's click done. Now once we're ready, text my brother. And now you can see it pulls up the option for air rack as my brother, who obviously is not actually my brother. And it will do that for anybody that you add, even if you add custom relationships to that list here. I'm going to click cancel. A custom relationship might look like if you open up the labels here, going all the way down, you can go to all labels just so you can quickly text that person depending on their relationship to you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.